guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is me reacting to my old embarrassing Facebook photos. Yeah. When I posted me reacting to my old private videos, I asked you guys if you want me to do the me reacting to my old Facebook profile pictures, and some of you guys said, yeah, go ahead. That's why I'm doing this video right now. Spoiler alert, it's gonna be boring, but that's okay. If you don't want to see my old profile pictures, then by all means, you can exit and stop watching this video. But if you guys are interested to see that, if that's your thing, then yeah, thank you and keep on watching. Hindi ko na maalala yung last time na I went through my profile pictures. Kasi as you guys know, mas chine-check ko na everyday yung page ko. So, yung personal Facebook ko wala talaga siyang ganap. And it's been like that for a really long time. So, hindi ko na maalala kung kailan yung last time na as in I went through talaga all my pictures. But I do remember, I don't know how long ago it was, but I remember na I went through it and I deleted few photos because I just didn't want to see it. But I'm pretty sure we will find something interesting here. Okay, so, okay. This one was posted January 9, 2010. Mahilig ako mag-edit noon eh. This picture was one of it. So, meron akong Canon na PowerShot camera. Yeah, and I was just taking a mirror selfie. And I have my name on it. Rhaze ... Dang, I remember that plaid shirt. Tapos meron pa akong cross na kwintas. Bongga. I actually like crosses na mga kwintas. Okay, that's not bad at all. Ooh, okay. See? Sabi ko sa inyo eh, mahilig ako mag-edit eh. Meron pa talaga akong sexy dito sa gilid. Weh! I actually like that photo. And of course, meron ding Rhaze sa baba. Nakakaloka. Aww! Ito, ang cute na to. Si Mark to, nasa kwarto kami ni Mama. And childish moments. Char! Lahat naman ng moments ko childish. Ang cute! Si Mark, ayaw niya magpa-picture. And this is me with, oh gosh, my hair though. Look at my hair. So freaking chaka. Graduating na ako nito. Tapos may isang room sa university namin na nandun yung parang history ng school, something. Tapos isa to sa mga nandun. And I decided to take a random picture right next to this thingy na parang toga or something. I was really addicted to taking pictures before. As in, araw-araw ko dala-dala yung digicam ko nung nasa college ako. And I am wearing gray contacts here. And look at my brows. My brows though. This one! Dang, I look so chaka. I look so different. Parang ito yung day ng defend namin. Because normal days sa nursing, naka-uniform lang talaga kami all white. Tapos meron kaming libro na dinedefend noon. And yeah, we all glammed up. Of course, wala pa rin akong makeup. Oh, I actually have makeup on. Meron akong eyeliner na ganap. At saka a little bit of lipstick. Pero yung brows ko talaga. And then of course, my gray contacts. See? Ooh, I like this picture. I really, really do like this picture. It says, I'm only me when I'm with you. Itong mga panahong to, you guys, this was taken April 17, 2010. Itong, no, not taken, but it was posted as a profile picture April 17. Anyway, itong mga panahon na to, ito yung time na kaka-break lang namin ng first ko. So, parang broken-hearted, parang pretending na naka-move on na, pero in reality, hindi pa. So, mayroon ako mga ganap-ganap na caption na ganyan. I'm only me when I'm with you. Saan ko ba na, ano yan? Para sa kanta ata yan. Ito, please be mine. O, diba? May pa ganun-ganun ako eh. Imo-imo, nakakaloka. Ang ganda ng font. I like that. Hindi ko na maalala kasi kung saan ako nag-i-edit ng photos noon. Ooh, sexy girl. Edited again, of course. And ito, phone na yung gamit ko. So, parang upgraded na yung phone ko. Iyan, tsaka ko. Hala, ito you guys. Meron akong mascara na nabili noon. Hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung brand niya. Pero it's just a really cheap mascara. Yung mga galing sa China, tapos binibenta nila sa mall. Tingnan nyo naman yung eyelashes ko there. Hindi ako nagsusuot ng mascara daily ha. Pero I think we had an event sa school na to na gusto ko lang mag-mascara. Ano bang color ng lens na yan? Nakalimutan ko na. I actually like that gray. I'm pretty sure it's two-toned gray. Pero nakalimutan ko kung ano talaga yung brand niya. Pero gusto ko yung color na yan, ha? Bongga yan. Okay, this is one of those photos na I edited in search of self daw ako. Katatapos ko lang magpa-rebond ng buhok. Tingnan nyo naman yung buhok ko. Tapos may fringe pa ako noon. Getting my hair rebonded was such a stupid move, especially because I was studying and kailangan nakatayo yung buhok namin with hairnet talaga araw-araw kahit nasa school lang kami. I got my hair rebonded pero tinatay ko rin naman siya araw-araw. So, yung resulta, patay ang buhok ni ate mo. Oh, look at you! Love what you got! May pa ganyan pa talaga akong post. Nakakaloka ako. Oh, girl! The pimp is there. Nasa ilong talaga. As you guys notice, kapag may period ako, lagi talagang nasa ilong yung pimples ko. I don't know. They just like that part of my face. Minsan, as in sobrang minsan lang sa forehead. Pero kadalasan talaga, 99.9% of the time, it's on my nose. And it's just crazy. I do have a story to tell. Oh yeah, I have a lot of stories to tell. I am such a madaldal girl. What the heck? Ew! Para akong baliw talaga. Ang tsaka nitong picture na to. Private na ba to? Yes, private na. My gosh! Ang tsaka, tingnan. Parang distorted yung mukha ko dito. Eto, wala akong boyfriend pero sinabi ko I'm in love. Really? Nakaupo lang ako dito noon sa tinitingnan ko yung tubig. Nag-outing kami nun kasama yung mga auntie ko. This is actually one of my favorite pictures. Gustong-gusto ko to, you guys. This was taken nung nag-overnight kami somewhere sa resort sa dito sa Cebu. Kasi wala kaming mga pera. Hindi kami nakarent ng room. Doon lang kami sa cottage. And I do not drink. Wala talaga akong mapaglibangan. So, natulog na lang ako. And this is what they did to me. And look at my nails. Okay, this is going to be the last picture I'm gonna show you guys. And this one is so freaking cute! Cute naman! Yeah, kasi parang birthday to. Birthday ko to! Birthday ko ba to? Wait. October 23. So yeah. Kinabukasan noon birthday ko. And yeah, and then si Mark. Parang happy na happy siya. 2010. So this was only 5 years ago. Gosh, ang cute niya 5 years ago Ngayon, tsaka-tsaka na ng kapatid ko. Anyway, yan na muna ipapakita kong pictures sa inyo, you guys. I think most of the pictures na pinakita ko sa inyo mga private na. Private ko, pero pinost ko sa YouTube. And yan, natapos na yung video. Pero I forgot to tell you guys, I cut my hair. I mean, my sister cut my hair. Pero yeah, that's it for this video. It was boring, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget. Goodbye!